Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to have a look at the BMW 520i Executive, the BMW's premium, aesthetic and elegant executive saloon. We will see what makes it stand out among its competitors and what makes it the best executive saloon in the market. So let's have a look.
The stylish elegance of the BMW 5 Series sedan always guarantees a confident appearance. Featuring the latest technologies, it carries on the established tradition of the most dynamic and agile business sedan, and stands for exceptional safety and a supreme driving comfort. The new version of the leading executive sedan, now in its 7th generation, once more combines sporting ability, style and elegance. In the new BMW 5 Series sedan, the model's harmonious blend of athleticism and elegance has evolved to a new level, making an even more incisive visual statement. As the long-standing bestseller in the executive sedan segment, the BMW 5 Series sedan is a key model that does much to define the premium image of the BMW brand. The new BMW 5 Series sedan has slightly increased in size by 29mm in length, 8mm in width and 2mm in height. Its long wheelbase, swept back greenhouse, a low roofline that slopes gently towards the car's rear, the design of the new BMW 5 Series radiates dynamism. This car is fitted with 17 inches run flat tires, light alloy wheels, V-spoke style. Two typical BMW design elements combined. For the first time, the crease line below the side windows does not continue into the car's rear, but instead curves up into the Hofmeister kink. The active kidney grille gains a size and air flap increases the count of the kidney bars. The bi-LED headlights as a standard meets the kidney grille and adding the road presence. The low and expressive rear design that emphasizes the car's width. The tail lights reach far into the car sides, visually linking them to the rear. A look into the cockpit raises the promise of driving pleasure. Among the first impression are the new sports steering wheel, the generous sense of space and the elegant ambience. The front seats come with electric adjustment as a standard with memory function for driver seat for outstanding seat comfort. The seats are in Dakota leather. Executive sedan with everyday usability. Rear seat passengers benefit from a tremendous amount of room and comfort. The rear seat backrest has three-way 40, 20, 40 split for added flexibility when carrying large items of luggage. The boot of the car can easily be operated by remote control and from the cockpit. The boot holds 530 liters of gear and can be expanded further by folding down rear seat's backrest. Additional options in the car is electric glass sunroof, warning triangle, smoker's package, through loading system, ambient interior lighting, active protection, parking assistant, intelligent emergency calling, teleservices, connected drive services, and LED fog lights. The 4-cylinder 1998cc 184 horsepower engine performs 0 to 100 in just 7.8 seconds. There are many reasons why the BMW 5 Series is the most popular executive sedan. No other competitor in this segment was able to deliver an equal convincing combination of elegant sporting design, outstanding dynamic performance and efficiency, superb ride comfort, intuitive control, and innovative connectivity. In addition to exceptional dynamics, the new Executive Champion also delivers outstanding ride comfort on long journeys and increased interior space. This is complemented by intuitive infotainment controls and displays, and the digital connected mobility assistant providing innovative vehicle connectivity as well as advanced driver assistance systems that make driving less stressful. So guys, this is all for the new BMW 520i Executive Sedan. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Have a nice day.